flank
There you go,
steak.
Opie. That's some flanky steaks for you. Let me grab this one. Ariana, you want flanky steaks?
For the birthday girl.
Mama gets some flanky steaks too.
You got it for me, hon.
I'll get yours for you. Perfect. I'll give this to you, honey.
Thank you.
I'll take the one to Phil. Yeah, one of those. This will starter. Let's see, is that one or two? Looks like that's one. There you go, Pat. You got one for you. There we go.
Thank
You want Ariana?
You are welcome. Yeah, Ariana, here,
Okay.
you take that
I
one.
like a bird.
And I'll get one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Throw one more for me.
Guys, pork belly. Lasang lechon siya, guys. Sarap. Crunchy yung skin.
Someone started.
One, two, three.
Yeah.
1, 2, parabéns.
Parabéns pra você nessa data querida, muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida. Parabéns pra você nessa data querida, muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida. Yay, happy birthday! Yeah.
Ayan guys, magluluto ako ng ginataang hipon na may kalabasa, bok choy, kalabasa, spinach, 2 cans of coconut milk, garlic, olive oil, pepper, salt, magic sarap, only optional, ginger, and onion. Ilagay natin yung oil at painitin natin. Ginger, onion, saute it together. Ilagay yung minced garlic, coconut milk, magic sarap if you have one, it's only optional, pepper, and salt to taste. Mix it up. Ilagay na yung kalabasa or the Filipino squash. Pakuluin ng sabay para lumambot na yung kalabasa. Takpan natin para maluto. Once kumulo na at malambot na yung kalabasa, ilagay na natin yung hipon. Again, this is my style of cooking, guys. Takpan muli para maluto yung hipon. Ilagay na yung spinach. So I added bok choy in this recipe, guys, because I have some. It's only optional, but I like many vegetables in this recipe. At ayan, luto na yung ating ginataang hipon na may kalabasa, spinach, at bok choy. Kain tayo, guys. Luto na. Sarap ng gata. Malabo yung kalabasa, guys. Manamis. Meron akong ditong galunggong. 4 lang yung prinito ko, guys. Hindi ko lahat prinito. Yung iba nandun sa freezer. Meron akong suka. For the pritong isda. Sarap ng galunggong. Yung hipon, guys, oh, ng Costco, malalaki. Tingnan nyo yung view, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Makikita ko yung mga sasakyan at saka yung mountain. Yeah, that's the...
I'm not gonna eat. I'm putting over my rice.
Good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Hot. Careful.
I got some of this.
That's the squash. Kalabasa.
Then I'm gonna get some of the rice and blow it.
Kalabasa.
It looks good,
Yummy.
Mommy.
So, dito kami ngayon guys sa my park. Ito yung park na malapit sa amin guys. Malapit sa RV Park. So, naglakad lang ako. Tapos yung kambal ay naka-electric scooter nila. So, pagkagaling nila ng school, talagang niyayaya ako dalhin daw sila sa park. Kasi nga, paborito nilang gawin yung monkey bar. So, ito yung park guys. I'm sure pinakita ko na to sa mga nauna kong video. Andyan yung kambal. May mga ibang bata din naglalaro kasi hapon na. 6 o'clock na guys. So, kanina pa kami 5 o'clock dito. So, naka 1 hour na kami. So, ayun. Maganda na yung weather guys. Hindi na talaga siya malamig. Perfect na. Pero naka-ano pa rin ako. Naka-sweater kasi comfy naman ako.
Oh no! It's right
So,
there!
andito kami ngayon guys.
It's right there! They just didn't put it up!
Oh, okay. So, we're here now guys sa school ng Kambal Valley Academy.
Mommy, where are you?
Kasi mayroon sila spring fling event.
Mommy, where are you gonna be?
I'm just around here. So, mayroon silang spring fling event guys. It's every year ginagawa nila. So mayroon mga mga slides, ano pa ba? May mga booths, mga foods. Ayan. So every year ito guys. So dito kami ngayon. So after school nila, bumalik kami ulit dito. May mga bounce house. So that's nandun yung twins guys. Kasama nila yung mga kaibigan, mga classmates nila. That's the bounce house. So meron pa dyan, hindi pa nila na set up. Last year meron bungee trampoline. Parang wala ngayon. Bakit kaya? Windy, pero hindi na siya malamig guys, kaya okay lang. So they have meron silang pa-free na popcorn guys. Ayun, popcorn pa-free. Pero yung mga dinner, hotdog bun, may bayad yun. Yung free nila is yung cotton candy at saka popcorn. At saka yan mga bounce house. Yan yung free. So parang nila ito, spring event every year ginagawa nila. Ganda ng weather guys. Sunny siya. Tapos windy, pero at least hindi na malamig. O, tingnan nyo, hindi na ako naka-jacket. So, ang ganda na siya guys. I love the weather now. But pretty soon, magiging mainit na talaga guys. So, they got a free snow cone. There's also popcorn. They're free if you want popcorn. Just not that cotton candy, okay? Yeah. So, meron din ako guys, naka-free din ako ng snow cone. So this event only 2 hours guys. Kasi may pasok bukas. They have school tomorrow.